Hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to my channel. Kindly like and subscribe. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can send multiple files in single email. Let's say you have folder in SharePoint or OneDrive and there are multiple files and you don't know number of files or there are a lot of files. Like for example, if there are two files, you can simply uh, use this method like add item. But you can't use this method for, let's say, 100 files. Like you need to keep clicking here and then adding each file again and again manually. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna explain how you can send multiple files as in single email using Power Automate. So first step will be to get the files. You need to add action get file from the SharePoint. This one. Now in here, select your site address. You can use OneDrive as well. It's up to you. For example, right now my file is on the in the SharePoint, so I am using SharePoint. You need to select the folder like where all your files are. This is the folder. Like right now I have two files in here, and after this you need to add get file content. Like now you got the file properties, and you also want to get the file content as well. This one. And here select the same site as you select in the get file section, and then the file identifier, use identifier from the get file in dynamic content. This one. Now it will add loop automatically. Okay. And after this, you need to declare variable here where you will store all the attachments. Let's name it attachment, and its type will be array. Okay. Now in apply to each, after get file content, you need to add files to the array one by one. Now in here select your variable name and then add brackets, then put name, and in name you need to put the file name. Choose this file name with extension, and after this you need to put content bytes, and content bytes will be the uh, file content of the file that we got here. Now after this step you will have all the attachment in single variable, which will be this one. So what you need to do is basically go to send email action, and in here click this. This will switch to array, and in the here just add your variable. Now let's see, if I test it, it should send all attachment in a single email. Like you don't need to mention each attachment name one by one or select each attachment one by one. As you can see, flow is running. Let me refresh my email. Okay, it runs successfully. And if I go to my email, I should now receive email with multiple attachments added, like all the attachment from this specific folder. As you can see here, I have attachment 1 and attachment 2. So let's say if I add another file in here, and if I run flow again, the new email will have all the file. Let's say I add two more file, it become four. So next email I receive will be with four attachment. Kindly do let me know in case you have any question or you don't understand any part. Thank you.